Hello everyone, this is Flora and this is my case tools lab experiment number 2. So what we have to do in this experiment is to draw a class diagram. We'll be using the star UML editor to draw UML diagrams. So my topic is to draw a class diagram for online course registration. So what is a class diagram and why is it used? Class diagram is used to identify the class structure of a system. So class diagram basically look is made up of these such class boxes which has the class name, and these are the attributes, or you could say the variables associated with the class, and these are the functions that the class would be performing. So in this experiment of mine, I have a total of 6 classes: one for student class, faculty class, course coordinator class, login class, course registration class, and course view class. So these, whatever you see in the first box over here, is the ones that are the attributes of the class. So for faculty, we'll be having their name, their staff ID, their department, and their mail ID. So this is the basic requirements, basic details that we'll be storing of the faculty. And these are the functions that the faculty would be performing, such as the faculty can view the course, then he would be selecting the course and he would register for the course. Now, when he is registering for the course, there has to be a function which determines whether he is eligible for the course or whether the number of seats is full. So that is checked using the function called is eligible. You see, course coordinator is inheriting all its property from faculty, because a course coordinator is also a faculty. So all these attributes would be inside course coordinator. Along with that, he has additional functions such as remove course, allocate seats, allocate credit, allocate eligibility, to prepare timetable, and so on. This is a login table, login class, which will have ID, password, and type as its attribute, and only one function to verify whether such user exists in the database of the system. Now, if you see in the course registration, that is the details that a course should have. Those include course titles, then its credits, its days offered, the time limit, its location, its eligibility, and so on. You can have many more. And the main function that they would be performing is checking whether it's full, adding faculties to each course, and adding students. So this is a class diagram. Now we have other attributes that we'll be using over here, something called association, which we already discussed. The link, the relation between student and faculty. Now if you see, it's one to many, that is one or many students can have one or many faculties. So thus is what association means. And aggregation, it indicates a whole part relationship, that is the entire properties of it is inherited. So that is what we had from coordinator. Then we have composition, that is class. This class cannot exist by itself, so that is the course registration will not be able to exist without course coordinator, because there will be nobody who will be allocating the courses. And then we have something called dependency and inheritance. Inheritance is what we saw in this, like if you see, faculty is a class and course coordinator is a part of a faculty with extra properties. So it's inheriting the properties of a faculty along with it having extra features. Then realizations, which is a relationship between two models in which one model realizes the behavior. That is, one model, suppose if it's a client, it does some behavior that is used for another class. So this is my second experiment for class diagram. Thank you.